top of my game. I'm who they hate. This shit come with the fame. That's how I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good. I'm in my prime. These niggas gotta get played. If these bitches ain't bad, I need to go harder. I can't let them think we the same. Hands sitting up like a horse's. Put it like a portrait. Mouth full of diamonds and porcelain. Bitch, I know I'm gorgeous. Little bitty waist, big titties. I don't need no corset.
Hi friends. Today we're going to be jumping straight into the tutorial because I have a nice little video for you guys today and I need you guys to help me pick my outfit for tonight, okay? So we're going to jump straight in with our eyeshadow. We're going to be doing a smoky eye, so we're priming with concealer first. Unfortunately, I do not have an eye primer, but one day when a girl get more money in her pockets, she gonna head back to Ulta and head that way. But after we prime and set our eyes, we're gonna go ahead and go in with a light brown color. This is just to get everything started. Remember, we're building coverage, so we have to start with the light color first. Patting to build coverage, going in with the brown. It's kind of like a muddy color because the eyeshadow look that I was going for today was a smoky eye, but I didn't want it to be black. I wanted it to be more grayish. So that's kind of what we're going for. I'm just patting. With this tutorial, I want you guys to trust the process. Please listen to me when I say trust the process. It's gonna look muddy and it's gonna look dirty and it's gonna look like I got punched in the motherfucking eye. But hear me out. It's gonna work out in the end. This is one of those trust the process type of videos. This is one of those trust the process kind of videos, okay? So after we go in with that brown color, I'm gonna go in with the next color, which is more like it's not a black. I know it looks black on camera, but it's a dark brown, a black brown. And I pat and then we're gonna blend. Every color is the same with this makeup. Smoky eye, we're just patting to get the coverage, and then we're blending. Blending. I'm trying to keep my blending tight in one area, and then once I kind of blend it to my liking, that's when I proceed to move upward so that we don't have any super harsh lines. That is what this big brush is for, by the way. Is to soften up the lines around the blend so that it's not just looking like a black bubble on my eyeballs. So every color we're going to do that. We're going to blend, pat, blend, and then we're going to blend around the edges. And with our next color, and again, we're just building coverage. You always want to start on the outside of your lid first and carry it in. Outside first and carry it in. Because the outside, I wanted it to be darker. I actually was trying to create like a wing liner kind of look with my eyeshadow, which is why I did carry it out more. As you guys can see here, I'm looking like I got like a black eye. But as you guys can see, I did carry it outward because I wanted to do a more like a wing liner without the wing liner, so just with the eyeshadow effect. Okay, so that's kind of what I was going for here, and it's so much blending, y'all. Like it was like an hour of blending. You guys are literally seeing the snippet, and then that was me acting like I'm boxing because I look like I got a black eye. So once we got that done, I did go ahead and apply my foundation off camera, and then I'm gonna put some concealer. I'm trying to apply things more as needed as opposed to full coverage, so I'm just putting it there so I can kind of carve it and give like that wing eyeshadow effect, and then right under my eyes to brighten. Going in with some blush as well. I've gotten so much better with my blush application. You guys would be so proud. Oh my god, I've been practicing so much. So I'm only using a drop. I learned from my last video. And I'm also blending it up. So I'm trying to create like a more high point effect on my face. And look at how good it looks, y'all. Look at how good it looks. It's so bomb. I did so good. I'm so proud of myself this time. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend the concealer. I'm really trying to keep it in one spot of my face. I'm trying to keep it directly under the eye and directly on the side. Sometimes I drag my concealer way low or way too high. So I'm trying with this tutorial to keep everything exactly in place. My blush in place, my concealer in place, because I really want a dramatic yet chiseled look. This is something new that I'm trying, but I really could have just used a foundation for this. But this is just kind of to highlight my face a little more and to chisel. You guys know I love my face to be snatched. So I'm trying different things. Going back in under my eye with just a little bit more concealer because I wanted it to be a little more full coverage in that area. And then I'm also going to go down my nose as well. Setting everything in place to make sure it don't motherfucking move. We don't need nothing motherfucking moving. Guys, I'm so excited for you to see these outfits. I want you guys to let me know which one is your favorite, which one you like more. I've got a pink option and a black option, which you guys will see at the end of the video. My favorite color pop blush. It's so cute, so pink, so girly. Setting the rest of my face with my regular Fit Me powder. Then we're going to go in with this. I just like to contour slightly in my blush areas and on top of my forehead, on the side of my temples. And then we're going to get into our nose contour. Girl, did y'all hear my snap? Girl, gotta snatch this nose. I gotta snatch this nose. It's mandatory. Mandatory. If you're not snatching your nose, what you doing? So with this palette, I'm going in with the white because I wanted a really bright highlight. And this is like a cream. This is like a cream. What do you call it? This is like a cream powder. So I put those on the high points on my face. And then I am going to go in with my Fenty. I always go in with the gold highlight. Same products, different day, different techniques. Okay. Hit all the high points of our face, and even today I decided I wanted to be a little extra and hit my chin. Yeah. Once we got everything pretty much together, I'm going to add the finishing touches, which is just a little bit of eyeshadow under my eye and then my beauty marks. Then we're going to go ahead and hit my lips. Honestly, this lip combo, I've been using it for about a month now. Okay, it's like a burgundy, and then I usually do like a pink in the center of my lips. It was crazy because I was talking crap about burgundy for so long. Like, I just was obsessed with a brown lip liner, but now, girl, I can't put burgundy down. Girl, she come out to use every day. She come out to be used every day. Then we're going to go ahead and hit the center of my lips with the same lip combo I've been using because I've just loved it, especially with this hair. I did want to add just a little bit of lip gloss because I wanted to be a little more shiny. I don't know. So I did go in with that. I had to use my fingers so I didn't get it everywhere. And then mascara and bam, rated. Now after this, we're gonna go ahead and get into our outfits. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Make sure you let me know which one in the comments you like more, the pink or the black. I'm gonna tell y'all which one my favorite. I'm gonna tell you which one my favorite. Make sure you read the comments. I'll see you guys there.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Done be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. All the hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight, living inside a dream. Let's play with the love. whip in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, ooh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes stupid.